So here's a very famous program problem from Singapore model drawing. So most adults, when they answer this, will give the wrong answer. So it's something that you'll like to show your parents and ask them first. So if a hot dog and a candy bar are 5, the price of the hot dog is 4 more than candy bar. What's the price of the candy bar? And most adults will say, oh, it's $1. Well, let's see why you should draw this out and get the right answer. So what costs more, the hot dog or the candy bar? The candy bar is less than the hot dog, so we'll start with that. So the candy bar, and what is the hot dog? Well, the hot dog is whatever the candy bar is plus 4. And how much is it altogether? 5. And so when you look at this, you can see, well, these two boxes, which stand for the candy bar twice, plus 4 equal 5. Well, so want to know what just these are. We take away 4, so we subtract 4, and we get that the two boxes must equal 1, so each box must be 50 cents. So how much is the candy bar? 50 cents. How much is the hot dog? 50 cents plus $4, so it's $4.50. Look at the second problem. Car can go. So this also is, it's a two-step problem. It gives people a lot of trouble. Okay. So what we see a lot is you say, well, 20 miles, 1 gallon. How many gallons for 1,000 miles? And if you divide 1,000 divided by 20, you get 50. So you say, okay, 50 gallons, but that's not your answer. Then you have to multiply 50 times $1.50. Well, 50 times 1 is 50, and 50 times 50 cents should be half as much, so it's 25. So you put those together to get 75. Next, a gallon of milk is $2.56. So we say $2.56 for 1 gallon. But what is a gallon? A gallon is 16 cups. 8 pints, 16 cups. So it's $2.56 for 16 cups. How much is it for 1 cup? So it's just $2.56 divided by 16, and those of you who remember your squares, 16 times 16 is $2.56. Good reason to remember those. And so it's 16 cents. So it's a divide by 16 relationship. So we divide that. For problem 4, I noticed a lot of people didn't know how many days were in December. So December has 31 days. So we have 15 cents per hour. 15 cents for an hour. So in a day, well, there's 24 hours, so we have to multiply 24 times 15. Well, here's a good way to think about multiplying 24 times 15. So it's 24 times 10 is 240, and then times 5 is half as big, so it'd be 120. So that'll be 360. So we have $3.60 per day, 360 per day, times 31 days. So we have to remember it's times 31 days. So what will that be? So it'll be 360, and then $108, I guess. So how much will that be altogether? So it'll be $111.60. Gold chain costs $1,000. So if we have $1,000 for 1 meter, okay, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And we want to know what does it cost for 1 centimeter. So it's a divide by 100 relationship. So we're going to divide 1,000 by 100. That gives us 10. Okay, so a centimeter would cost 10.